Harvesting was the name of the game on Thursday.
This is the before. Right now I'm harvesting the coriander seeds. And we're going to clean this out and see what we can do in here.
As I got started clipping the coriander to collect seeds, I had a visitor. Damsel or dragonflies are welcome in the garden. Meanwhile, Eric rounded up the tomato harvest. This was my second biggest harvest this year. Remember those squash flowers I hand-pollinated in early June? Those 3 volunteer vines produced 1 small pumpkin each. I got some big figs. This is the easy way to get the seeds off the branches. Please watch my How to Grow Coriander episode of Late Bloomer for much more information.
Black and yellow.
I'm so glad you saw that.
This is the caterpillar?
Yes, this is the yellow swallowtail.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. And it can have all the fennel it wants because
It's hard to find it, huh?
I have plenty.
No, but see, it's like the color.
It's exactly, but you have good eyes, Eric. You saw that, I didn't see it.
You don't see, huh? Okay, leave it alone.
Okay, hold that for a second. Let me give you a stake, because that's just laying over on the other plants. Hold on.
I asked Eric to clean up the fennel, which is right beside the coriander.
Yeah, I've got here.
He discovered a yellow swallowtail caterpillar. First one, then a second, then a third, 5th instar.
Put this one over on that wire, just on that wire there.
In the way, like that?
Yeah, the top, yeah. That'll get it under control. Number 2.
Number 3.
And number 3. That is gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. Now, that's the head and that's the tail. In case anybody is seeing, the swallowtail larva looks like the 5th stage.
And then he spotted 2 more in 2nd instar.
Is it baby? See baby, no? Eh?
Yes, that is a baby.
I have a good eye.
That is amazing, Eric.
I find another one.
Oh my goodness, like I said.
It's not easy, baby.
I've never seen this stage. Fennel is an umbel. It has umbel-shaped flowers.
Fennel grows wild here, so it's a perennial I can count on year after year to produce big umbel flowers to attract beneficial insects. Caterpillars freeze as a form of defense, hoping predators will mistake them for the plant.
Oh, and look, there's a syrphid fly. Where'd you go? So basically what we're doing is just getting the fennel kind of under control so it's not laying over on the garden. Then I just saw a swallowtail fly over, and then the monarchs flew over, and then a yellow butterfly, and it is such an exciting day, and I can't believe my back is hurting. What was that? Oh, that's a wasp. Check out my zinnias that we planted here. This one on the left is going wild, absolutely stunning. It's now 5 feet tall.
I'd love to know what attracts butterflies to your garden.
There are probably 100 cherry tomatoes that need to ripen on that vine, but I'm leaning towards pulling the whole thing out and reclaiming my trapezoid bed, harvesting the Sweet Annie, digging up the potato, and clearing all that bed out.
While Eric worked on the trapezoid bed, I went back to cleaning my coriander seeds.
Okay, that looks pretty clean. Ooh, nice. I knew there were some big ones in there.
Okay, let me put them together.
Okay. Oh boy.
See, for one plant, it's good.
Yeah. Okay.
No, this is dry.
Yeah, everything's always dry. Okay. All right. Not bad.
I ate one of those big potatoes that day.
Okay, that looks good. This is a replacement tomato that I picked up from Liz Carpenter in Oceanside.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay. Number 2.
Got it? A little bit?
Yes, please. Mm-hmm. And you can just drop those leaves in the hole. And what we've added is a crushed aspirin and some fertilizer and coffee grounds in the hole.
This.
Good. Yep. Okay, number 3.
Number 3?
Yeah. You're going to plant it in the ground in this space here, right there.
That's a good stay. Beautiful.
Good. Okay, that's number 3.
Three.
Good. Nice. Could have taken them out probably weeks ago. 2? Okay.
Different?
Different than an onion, a little bit different. Yeah, beautiful.
That big?
Yeah. That has a bloom though. See, those are not going to be good to eat.
No?
No, just leave those
Leave?
for the bees.
Okay.
Take this one.
This one?
Yeah, separate it.
Yeah. Oh, it's huge.
Oh, let me see. The seed shallots I bought at the National Heirloom Expo. And it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not bad for my first time, I guess. Very nice.
Garlic or?
No, it's those little onions.
Ah, but it's made good.
Yeah, you can take some. Let's take them all out. We're going to start over.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's nice.
Very pretty. It's Japanese bunching onion. So they bunch together. You'll never go without onions. I discovered a big deposit of whitefly on the back of my baby lima beans. To take care of that.
There you go. Like that.
Okay, so we're pulling this whole thing out, and what we're going to try to do is separate some of these plants.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we'll just take the biggest ones and separate it, and then we're going to plant some of them in this pot, in this planter, because it can't continue like this.
How many you want?
Well, this can only hold probably 4.
Or bunch it?
No, not 4. No.
You can separate it like that.
Okay, go ahead.
See?
If you want to.
Yeah. Okay.
I was just going to take it apart with, ooh,
Wait. I need to cut it.
ooh. Okay.
See? Take a picture.
I am.
How many? Boom.
But isn't that interesting? We watered this today, and the whole middle is dry.
See, we can put it.
It goes to the bottom.
See? It's easy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, see? That's right. So that's 1. So I think that's actually 2, but that's fine.
No. It's
So we'll put 1 here.
See, this is bunch growing back.
Yeah, we need more pots. I don't want to waste it. Just peel it back. Just
Yeah, but you need to cut it.
Oh, you do?
See, okay, like this, damage. This is the like cheese.
Okay.
Yeah, you can cut the cheese. You want a little cheese?
Celery is like cheese? Okay.
See? Happy?
Well, yeah, but that's... Okay, hold it. That's like... Take
yeah.
these 2 out. We're still going to have to thin it, because it's too many. Right. You can make a many, and we just have to find a place to plant them, which I'm sure we can.
This is one plant.
Yeah. Yeah, that's one plant. Yeah.
I like it like this because it's like cheese.
I've got a lot of yellow leaves on my peppers. Putting those squash on the studio might have been one of the silliest things I've done. They look like they're fried to a crisp. Since my back is still a problem, I'm not going to be getting that heavy ladder and climbing up there to water them. Like I said, it was impractical. And when something's impractical, it's impractical. If it's hot here at 6 p.m., I bet it's hot where you are. Which is why I'm wearing my kurti. I'm wearing my kurti for my Indian friends, especially the one who sent it to me, Mumbai Balcony Gardener. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you'll enjoy these. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button. See you next time. Do I even have a sign off? No.